హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ది వీడియో, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ వీడియోస్. ప్లీజ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వీడియోల నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. హాయ్, it's a message for those who can understand. You have tried lifting the socio-economic status of first prophet previously, but was not successful in that because in the old economy with the Indian citizenship alone, if you try to lift the socio-economic status of the first prophet, it will be like a tear through your body. It will burn whole India. It will be like tearing through the India bottom to the top, so it will not be possible. Only after Visva you can do it for India also. Okay, and few days back you tried the helicopter money method and it did not cause much problem for you, but you are not able to do it again. Why? Because giving money in the name of the first prophet and to him as his money is not going to work. If you want to get rid of your money and the acidic effect of it on you, you can dispose it as proxy money. You can store it in the name of the first prophet, but you have to discuss it with him, make a deal with him that it's proxy money. He would be bound by a pact that it's proxy money. You own the money but are depositing in his account and would like to take it back when needed, but if he uses it up, that's another story. You will have to just act, why did you use, but you should never declare that you have donated it or given it or written it off to him. Same with properties also, and if the local laws don't allow huge properties on the name, you have to open a association or a trust or any organization that would allow large properties to be written on it with him as the sole proprietor or the holder. That's with the money thing and properties thing. And for meeting the first prophet and discussing the issue of establishing the Visva nation, so that the Visva flag, Dhwaja, would release the magical corona effect to most extent on India and its leaders. You have to use helicopters to reach him, but even increasing his socio-economic status in India is not possible without establishing Visva, and Visva itself, establishment of Visva itself is very lengthy and a very dramatic process. Remember it, dramatic process. And this reaching by helicopter method is not to be taken lightly. Warning, caution, it's not to be taken lightly. Once attempted, it's not like other methods which you are trying right now. It's not a trial and error method. You cannot try and get back from this method. Once attempted, it has to be completed. If you get back at any step, it might be fatal. No testing testing procedures with this method. This is not for testing. It should be a one time go and get procedure, not to be stopped in between. You can take standby method, that is, you can make preparations, but you shouldn't start it. Once started, it should be completed by meeting the first prophet and completing the consummation. And after meeting him, it won't be a normal meeting, it has to be a conjugal one. And to start this, you are not able to even start normal meet via road because of the presence of police. The police means the military forces, police, rowdies, all these people, lawyers, etc. in the area. Only if they are vacated, which is not easy or possible in the given situation, almost impossible. Only if they are vacated, then you can come by road, but it's not possible, especially given with rowdy units. You don't know who are they and where are they. So as long as they are there, the entry via road will not be possible. It will be very caustic. You cannot make it. And you have tried and stopped, but with this helicopter method that won't work. That is what I am telling. So, and one more condition is each leader coming, only up to 7 leaders can come. Sapta Rushis, Sapta Matrika, 7 is the complete number, even for Christians in Bible, and even for Hindu, Sapta Samudralu, 7 Kondalu and all. So 7 people maximum can come, and each of the 7 people need to bring their own gift of a couple not related to them. A male and a female should be brought in gift to the first prophet. So once again I repeat the 3 main things, and before that the caution is that once started, this procedure cannot be stopped in middle. And because by road, by vacating all the military forces of various classes of the society is not possible, only helicopter method is possible. And you should bring gift, a male and a female not related to you as gift, and after reaching you should complete the physical union of your gifts and yourself with the first prophet. Only then you would be free to go, and also free to come and go whenever you want to discuss anything. And the main thing that you have to note in the helicopter method is, while getting down at the prophet's place, using a ladder and a rope tied to your waist, you have to tie a rope connecting the helicopter to your body, to your waist. Never let go the rope. Don't remove the rope till the physical union is completed. The rope is the only in Hindi we call door, patanki door, like a thread for the kite, flying the kite. How important it is. To be clear, if a flight gets electrocuted by a lightning, it will bring the current down its rope or wire to be grounded to earth. So without that rope, the flying kite might be burned down. So the rope is very important in this procedure. Please tie the rope to the helicopter and to your waist and get down, and only after physical union is completed the rope can be released, and you are free to come and go whenever you want later for all correspondence purposes. Just like the first prophet cannot take a flight or helicopter because it will crash within 30 to 40 seconds after takeoff. but the first prophet can fly only using a glider that is attached to the boat via a rope. So you too should use the rope while getting off the helicopter and not detach it till the first prophet directs you to do so. Even your gifts, the male and female, should be attached by rope.